She's wearing a one-shoulder sports bra and she's doing a HIIT workout. I was like, what? I started by visualizing my success by making a 3D version of this using a newspaper page. So I created a front and back pattern and taped them at the sides to see what it would look like in 3D. Then I cut out my fabric. I have 2 front pieces and 1 back piece. Play along with me. What I did in this next clip was I sewed the 2 front pieces together at that center front cutout, and now I'm going to sandwich the back strap in the middle of the 2 front pieces. That way that seam is concealed. Next, I sandwiched the curved side seams in between the front pattern. This way my seam allowances will be hidden in between the fabric. The bra won't have any raw edges, so there will be no chafing at the seams. I sewed these seams using a straight stitch. I repeated the sandwiching step on the other side. When I was done, I measured the length of the neckline and the length of the underarm, and then I multiplied that by a 3/4 to get the length of the elastic I need for those areas. My band elastic is the exact measurement of my waistband pattern, and I just sewed it into a loop and then I pinned it at the quarter points to make sure it's evenly distributed. It's the exact measurement, so it won't be smaller or bigger. I don't believe in making it like tighter than it needs to be because I can always take it in later. I will not be using the darts in the back. They are not necessary, but I'm happy the darts in the front worked out. Those are absolutely necessary. I inserted some removable caps in, but you can use something that looks like this or pasties because this fabric was kind of thin even if I used 2 layers. Yeah, so this sports bra is for low impact exercises only. I mean like yoga, stretching, weightlifting, Pilates. No jumping jacks, no HIIT workouts, no jumping rope. How did Chloe Ting do this? I do not know, but I'll link the video in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was inspiring, and I'll see you in the next one and in the comments hopefully. Bye!